In this video, I will walk through tutorial figure 4.2e. So let's start off with the center line. Create two lines. Make sure that all your polar tracker, the dynamic inputs on, polar tracking, object snap tracking, and your object snap is turned on. Alright, so for object snap, make sure that you have the endpoint. Normally, I turn off the midpoint, I use center, and the intersection will be good enough. One line, down, like this. Okay, two straight lines. Okay, so I'll start off with the back end here. Okay, change to the outline, circle, center radius. Okay, I'll do the radius 25 first. Right here, radius 25. Okay, and next thing, there is a small circle here of radius r, which I do not know the radius, so I need to figure out by drawing out the smaller radius here first. So offset, press 40. From here, click the direction I want, which is left side. Here. Okay, one down, spacebar, enter. Zoom in a little bit. Circle, center radius. Click here, radius of the area. I need to draw a line, which is 12 degrees. 24 divided by 12 degrees from the horizontal. So go to line, shift right click, choose tangent. Select on this point here, on the circle. Alright. I want to have an angle at a certain degree. So what you do is just press Shift 2 for add symbol, followed by the distance. Let's say it's about 60. Shift comma for less than, and the angle is 12. Okay, enter. Okay, confirm. So let's double check whether the dimension is right. Dimension, line, line, line. Notice that it is 12. Okay, so if I were to mirror this line, I get 24 degrees. Okay, so let's leave it there first. Next thing, alright, draw a circle, center radius, click here. Okay, alright, do not click on this point because it's not the correct radius. What you need to do is shift, right click, tangent, select the line. Okay, so the radius has to be tangent to the line. Alright, notice it's touched somewhere here. Okay, so what I do now is I need to mirror this line, spacebar, this point to this point, place my mirror line, erase, put one. Okay, so now I can trim my object, trim, cutting edge, I select this, and this. Confirm. I clear away this line, clear away this middle part, and this one here. Okay, alright. First things is to create I need to offset 90 from this point to here. Okay, 90. I'm now going to create the radius 35, sorry, radius 34. So the center to center distance is about 15 from this line, up 15, offset 15 from here upwards. Okay, draw the circle of radius 34. Okay, center radius, click here, which is X, click here, 34. I'm going to create a radius 80 here. Okay, so let me just make my line a little bit shorter first. Okay, for this case, I'll use tangent radius, circle, tangent radius. From here, click somewhere around here where the tangent meets the circle. Okay, click somewhere around here where the tangent meets the circle. For your radius. Right, always read the bottom line. Okay, and I get this one here. So get the circle. Okay, cutting edge, select this and this. Confirm. Trim away the circle. Okay, This one is to create the ellipse and the bottom circle. So the bottom circle is 40 mm to the left, offset 40 from here, click here, and offset 46 from the center here downwards. Sorry, offset 46 from the center of the circle downwards. Okay, so I should be having the line which I stretch. Okay, so this is my center for the small circle. So click here, center radius. Click here, radius 15. Okay, I also can use center diameter. Click here, 60. Okay, this is small circle. This is the big one. Alright. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create a line tangent from here to here. So line, shift right click, tangent from this circle, shift right click, tangent to this circle. Okay, so take note, it is not exactly at this point here. Okay, if you end your line here, it's not correct. It must be tangent to this circle. Okay, alright, next one, how do you form the ellipse here? Okay, so the ellipse is 1/4 from A to B. So this point B, this point A. So whenever I say 1/4, so if you draw a line from point A horizontal and vertical from B, this is the center of the ellipse. Alright, so go to circle, go to ellipse, choose center option. So the center is, I track from here, it should be here. To here, point B to point A. Alright, so now trim, cutting edge, select this circle and this big circle, confirm, delete away this ellipse, and continue trimming, trim, cutting edge, select this one, and this one. What I want to trim is trim the big circle, and this one. Alright, same thing, I want to trim, cutting edge, this one, and this line, for bottom, Okay, so more or less it's almost done except for the hexagon in the middle. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, here. So I need to create a center line. Okay, circle of diameter 50. 50. I need to create a polygon. Okay, which is 600. And center, I need to zoom in a bit more because I will accidentally click on here. So make sure I come in here, I see the X here, click on this point. East, west, circumscribe. So AC, I choose the opposite, which is I. Okay, and the radius is 10 divided by 2, so it's 5. Okay, so this one I change to, before I turn it into an array, I need to change the outline. Alright, okay, so let me create one more line here, and from here to here. So what happens that I have this shorter line here, so what I can do is I can shorten this one a little bit. You notice this line here? Alright, I'll array the polygon with the hexagon with this line. Alright, so go to array, choose bold array, select the hexagon, the polygon or the hexagon with the line, confirm. Center of the array here. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total I need 4. And the total angle I need to fill is 180 degrees. So I need to fill here, I change to 180, enter. Alright, notice it goes all the way to the top. And it has to do with the direction. You click on the direction. Right, sometimes you need to move cursor down to see the preview. Right, it's going down this way. Okay, and press. Once you're happy, just press close. Alright, so last thing you need to do is make sure you just need to massage all the lines. Don't want to be too long. Okay, this one to delete away any dimension you have on the screen, please delete them away. Right, and okay, okay, with this, right, tutorial 4.2 E is complete. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.